I wonder. Yeah, I bet I could move that. Yeah, that'll work right there. This should work. Yeah, I can make that work. I could definitely make that work.
What are you doing?
I'm figuring out how to put the antenna in the radio in your car for vacation.
Absolutely not.
But what am I going to use? This?
Yeah.
This is all I get.
Yeah, you get that. That's all you get. No.
All right, I guess I have to figure that. Are you sure?
No.
Hello, everyone. I hope you enjoyed that skit. I really enjoyed, filming it. And if you comment below, let my wife know that you enjoyed it. She might let me get her into a few more, and we can do a few more skits with that, like that. But anyway, back to onto the topic of this video, which is traveling with minimal radio and still having radio. So you saw a plug for Destination Vegas, right after the skit. That's a thing that's coming up, Field Day weekend. I'm not doing Field Day this year. I'm going to be on the road during Field Day. So the Friday and the Saturday, I'm leaving early Saturday morning, 3 a.m. We're doing a series of videos and lives while we're doing that. But I wanted to bring radio. And I told my wife, I want to bring radio. I mean, I could activate Hoover Dam. There's parks on the air locations. I want to be a ham. And the conversation basically came down to, she goes, I don't care if you bring radio, but you're not bringing your tote. My 891, my Wolf River coil, that all sits in a tote that never really leaves the living room. And I was basically told I can't bring it. So I get to thinking, how am I going to be a ham? How am I going to work radio without being able to bring, some of the best equipment I have? Only came down to, you saw her hand it to me in the skit. My 878 UV2 Plus. This little radio is going to be my gateway to keep being a ham while I'm on vacation. And I'm going to do that in combination with the SkyBridge Plus hotspot from Bridgecom Systems. Now, this video is not sponsored by Bridgecom by any means. Bridgecom, if you want to sponsor me, get a hold of me. I'll gladly take you up on it. I love your products. I mean, they're an amazing company, very responsive. That being said, I'm going to get back to where we were, our topic. So with this combination here, I plug this in, power this up. I use my phone's Wi-Fi, and I have ham radio with the reach of my HF, with better audio quality too, if I may add. Now, people will say, well, if you love DMR so much, because that's when I'm working DMR, you'll never really work HF radio. Trust me. You're not going to replace my parks on the air, and if you try to take my HF rig away from me, well, we're going to have other issues than me just using DMR on a vacation, and we're probably not going to be on the best of terms the next time, or after we see each other. But being told that, hey, you can have ham radio, but you can only be limited, minimal. I'm already bringing camera equipment for the filming for the trip. I understand why she does not want me logging all this stuff around. It's cumbersome, easy to forget. People can steal it. I mean, the more you have, the more opportunity for something to happen. So, during this vacation, I will be hotspotting off my phone. I will be running digital APRS on this radio. And if we're live and you guys want to chat, you know, we could, during the live stream, go over to the Toads Discord, get in Digital Toads, get the DMR ID. I'll meet you over on Toads DMR. We can have chat while I'm driving down the road, maybe while I'm live, maybe while I'm not. This also allows me the ability to talk to state DMR nets and state DMR repeaters. So I figure out what the good DMR repeaters are in the area, what the big talk group is. And by the way, I'll let you know right now, Nebraska, Wyoming, Utah, Nevada, obviously, because we're being in Vegas, New Mexico, Arizona, Texas, Oklahoma, Kansas, Missouri, and then back in Iowa. I literally just took you on our trip for all the states that we're going through. So if you're from one of those states and you have an awesome talk group that would be really good for me to program into my radio before I leave, let me know. Drop it in the comments. So that way I can get a program. So that way when I'm traveling through the state, I can go, yo, K0BJJ on this talk group or on Texas, statewide, whatever it is. And I'm traveling through, want to see if anyone's out there. I would love to do that. Also, if you're in Vegas, I'm going to be spending a week down in Vegas. If you got any local repeaters, I have a handheld. Let me know what repeaters are active. Let me know what frequencies to use so I can program them in. Seriously, guys, I'm going to have my handheld with me. I'm not going to be spending the entire time moving. If I'm at the hotel and we're not doing much, I'm going to be on my radio. I'm going to have my radio. So, you know, let's make something happen. Also, any cool vacation ideas for Vegas, let me know, please. I'm not trying to get you guys to comment. Seriously, this is open. We're having a conversation about traveling, and I'm going to a place I've been to once. I know there's stuff I haven't done. I know there's stuff I'm not going to be able to do. But let me know. And before someone tells me, hey, you shouldn't let people know exactly where you're at when you're traveling. Well, here's the thing. You probably heard the storm spot and pooch walking around. We have a house sitter. He's going to be home, and the house sitter is very comfortable with the various lead throwing devices in this house. So, if while I'm out in Vegas, someone who sees this video decides to test the security system, you've been forewarned, and God is waiting. I'm just going to leave it at that. That being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Seriously, if you have any suggestions, repeaters, whatnot, this is a really good way to travel light with ham radio, still stay really well connected. But thanks for watching Spotter Jutting Amateur Radio. If it's your first time here, consider like, sharing, and subscribing this to us. Keep on spotting all. We'll see you next time.